My name is David John Roche. I'm a composer from Cerddwn in South Wales, and I've been working as a mentor and commissioned composer with Cerddwn. My composition is called Everything You Ever Wanted and More. It's a 35-minute piece of music for orchestra, but don't let that put you off. It's full of sugar-sweet, big energy riffs and melodies, often inspired by the rock and metal I grew up playing. As a whole, the work is about finding meaning and looking beyond yourself. Erratic changes of musical character flicker like changing channels. Is there a settling piece to be found somewhere, or is it just important to keep your attention occupied? I think we'd all like to believe that there's something beyond ourselves, right? It's not trivial to bring together so many different people to make new music, especially at such an appallingly difficult time for the arts. It requires a huge amount of openness, commitment and bravery over a long period of time, and I'm hugely grateful to Aberystwyth Philharmúsica, Sinfonia Cymru and everyone involved in making Cerddwn happen. 150 or so applications from all over the world, 8 new pieces of music to start, 2 orchestras, a stack of workshops. People want these opportunities, they are culturally important, and they can be done in Wales. I can't stress how important this opportunity has been to me. I am enormously grateful. Thank you for listening.